Hey guys, this is day 3 of the 997 turbo project. What I did yesterday was I went ahead and slightly heated up these housings so I could eject these sleeves from the coolant housing, and I cleaned them up really good, got all the old adhesive off, and after that I went ahead and scuffed these up real nice with I believe it was a 180 grit sandpaper, just so that the JB weld that I used to adhere them to the pipes had something to grip onto. I used acetone to completely clean the area inside, and once that was all set, it was just a matter of applying the JB weld into the pipe and then inserting them in there. And you want that, you know, oozing out of JB weld that you see there. That ensures that it had made full contact with, you know, the inner diameter of the female housing. But these are the 7 that are known to leak and eject from here and cause a big mess and potentially an accident. But there are lots of methods of doing this. I've seen you know, a knurling procedure with adhesive. I've seen people send these out actually, and they sell these nice billet pipes that get welded onto the housings, and you know, people swear by that, but for me, if I'm not doing the work myself, I would hate to send them out and then have them welded and then find a leak later. There's a lot of room for error with welding these on there because it's, you know, this is a porous cast aluminum piece. When you're welding a billet pipe on there, you know, if everything's not 100% perfect, you know, you're going to have a lot of room for error. So this is a tried and true method, and today what we're going to be doing, now that everything's cured, is drilling into the cast housing and inserting a M5 by 0.7 millimeter socket head cap screw. And obviously we've got to use some Loctite for that so they don't come out. So what I do before I even take a punch or even a drill to any of this really expensive PORSCHE shit is I find a piece of scrap aluminum. This is an old power steering pump I had laying around from I believe this is from a Acura RL. Anyway, I just tested it out, found the drill bit size I needed, and tapped it, and you just made sure that what I had planned to do on those will work. So I went ahead and used a punch to give my drill bit a guide. No turning back now. You want the tap to kind of go in as straight as possible. I'm going to rush this. Obviously, after this is all said and done, we're going to take it over to the any air hose and use compressed air to blow all the shavings out. That's what's kind of nice about having the out of the car. So I can tell that the tap has gone all the way through. Just grab a socket head capsule. Torque that and put some Loctite on it. It'll be in there for good. But it has gone all the way through and we're good to go.